Hello everyone! Welcome to the PDNob channel. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to make a mind map. In PDNob mind mapping, you can first sign up for an account and get free cloud storage. After logging into your account, click Add New to create a new mind map. Enter a title or central idea in the central topic. Use the arrow keys to move the blue box to select the next level of subtopics. Enter the branch topic keyword and move the blue box to the next branch topic. They belong to the same level. Press Enter to add a new branch topic. Okay, now let's add more detailed subordinate topics for the branch topics. Press the Tab key to add a lower level topic. Type in the details and press Enter to add more topics at the same level. If you find that you have entered a redundant subordinate topic, you can delete it by hitting the Delete key after selecting it. Of course, you can undo the operation by hitting the Ctrl and Z keys. If you want to connect two themes with different branches, select one theme and press F4, then click on the other theme, and that will finish the connection. When you find that your content doesn't fit the current layout, you can click the Layout button on the right to select the right one from the layout. The Styles feature below also allows you to add more stylistic features to your mind map or highlight key thematic information. If you don't want to go to that much trouble, the theme function also provides a variety of different styles of themes to meet different needs. This is the whole process of mind mapping with PDNob Mind Map. If you are interested, you can try PDNob Mind Map by clicking the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Feel free to click like and subscribe, and leave your comments about how you use it. This is PDNob. Let's see you in the next video.